And where is there more suffering and more excuses for its continuation than in the factory farms that populate our nations like a stain on this earth? What we're trying to eliminate is unnecessary suffering and cruelty. And as far as factory farming is concerned, it may as well be the definition of cruelty if you needed to explain what it meant to somebody who had no conception of the concept. I will stop preaching, in other words, ladies and gentlemen, about the torture of animals when the torture ceases to exist. I'm sorry if you don't like it, I truly am, but you're really going to have to get used to it, okay? I won't stop making people aware of what's going on, and I won't pretend like your convenience is a legitimate excuse for this moral crisis. I will ruin the party every time.
Wow! He sure is pig-headed.